Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make Kurdish style shakshuka. It's easy, quick, and so flavorful. In Kurdish, we call it temate hêkêt qelandî or temate hêkêt. It simply means fried tomatoes and eggs. The ingredients we need are tomatoes. Today I'm using a mix of fresh and canned tomatoes. I prefer fresh ones, but I couldn't find any juicy ones in the store. So that's why I'm compensating it with a can of whole plum tomatoes. You can use whatever you have on hand. When I use only fresh ones, I like to remove the skin, and I've also only used canned tomatoes and they work great too. Enough about the tomatoes. Onion is optional. I had this piece laying around and I didn't want it to go to waste. You're also going to need some eggs. This is optional as well, but I like to add some parsley and red chili pepper to mine for extra flavor. And for the spices, I'm using salt, black pepper, and red paprika. And finally, you're going to need about a tablespoon of olive oil. Bring your pan to medium-high heat and add your olive oil. Start by sauteing your chopped onion for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're either caramelized or golden brown around the edges. When you've reached that stage, add your chopped red chili pepper and cook that for a minute or so. If you don't have any chili pepper but you still want that heat, you can definitely add red chili pepper flakes. The next thing you want to do is to add your seasonings and toast that for a few seconds before going ahead and adding your fresh tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes until they start breaking down. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes, and make sure that you cover the pan if you don't want tomatoes all over your stove, and also if you don't want them to dry out too much. When they look something similar to this and they're soft enough to be smashed with the back of your spoon or spatula, it's time to add your canned tomatoes. Mix everything together until it's well combined and cook it for another minute or 2. Don't forget the lid. Now is a good time to add your parsley. If you don't have any fresh parsley laying around at home, dried parsley or dried celery leaves work really well too. It's time for the final step, which is poaching or cooking your eggs in this amazing tomato sauce. Make as many wells as you're going to be making eggs. I'm making 3 eggs today. Once you've made room for your eggs in the sauce, pour them carefully into each well. Cover your skillet to cook your eggs through, but make sure you keep an eye on them because the eggs can end up cooking through really fast, and that's a big no-no if you want your yolk a little bit runny. Once the egg have cooked to your liking, crack some fresh black pepper on top of the eggs and finish off with some parsley leaf. And don't forget the chili if you're into that. Your Kurdish shakshuka is ready to be eaten. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to click that notification bell. I post new videos every week. I'll see you on the next one.